Heavy-duty 1-gallon trim compressor with protective roll cage. 135 PSI maximum, durable oil-free pump, low 71 decibels rating, low 2.6 amp motor. Includes 1 compressor, hose nailer not included. 9 inches wide, 24 pounds, 1-year warranty. DEWALT Air Compressor, 135 PSI max. Low maintenance, high performance. The DEWALT Air Compressor D55140's high-performance operation is made to simplify jobs by powering your air tools, for construction jobs as well as for household applications. The compressor features a 1-gallon tank and a 2.6 amp motor to deliver 0.75 SCFM at 135 PSI max. These features results in high surge performance. The compressor's high flow regulator provides maximum air pressure that enhances the performance of the machine. All of this and more at just 69 dBA, that makes it so quiet that you wouldn't notice the compressor unless you see it. The oil-free operation of the air compression makes it easy to maintain, as you will not have to worry about filling in the compressor with oil or changing the pump regularly. Top reviews from the United States. Easy to operate. I liked how easy this was to operate and use right out of the box. It's relatively quiet, but still makes a decent racket. Perfect for home, casual use, bike tires, basketballs, cars, etc.